Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building your website on Wix and want to unlock the power of Facebook marketing, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook Metapixel to your Wix website, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to track visitors, optimize ads, and make smarter marketing decisions based on real data. So let's dive right in and get your Metapixel set up. First, let's head over to your Wix dashboard. This is like the mission control center for your website. It's where all the important settings and tools live. If you're already logged in, you'll probably end up on the main dashboard right away. If not, just sign in. Access is quick, and you'll see an overview of your website projects. From here, you'll want to select the specific page or site you want to connect with your Metapixel. Think of this as choosing which storefront you want to install your security cameras on. You want to pick the site where you'll track visitor activity and gather insights. So, click on the website you're actively working on, and that'll open up a dedicated dashboard just for that page. Next, find your way to the Settings area. In Wix, everything from payment options to tracking tools is organized under Settings, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Sometimes this menu is located either on the left sidebar or at the top, depending on how Wix has updated their interface lately. Give yourself a moment here. Navigation is key. Within Settings, you're looking for the section called Development and Integrations. This is essentially where Wix keeps all the advanced tools that let your website communicate with external apps, platforms, and services. Scroll down until you spot it. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just be patient and make sure to check that you're in the right settings menu for your site, not your account. Once you're there, look for Marketing Integrations. Clicking this opens a whole array of tools designed to help your site grow and track performance. Wix makes it surprisingly simple by grouping these options together. Now, you should see Metapixel and KPI. The pixel is what lets Facebook know when someone visits your site, and KPI, Conversions API, makes sure your data stays accurate even if there are browser restrictions. Click Connect here to start the setup. At this point, Wix will let you know that you need to upgrade your site to a premium plan before you can enable these features. This is pretty standard across website builders. Premium plans unlock integrations that are important for serious marketing. If you're not upgraded yet, take a moment to review the plan options and choose one that fits your needs. If you're already a premium user, you're good to go. Below the upgrade notice, Wix provides clear, step-by-step instructions on how to finish connecting your Metapixel and KPI. These guides are usually pretty intuitive. Just follow along, entering your Pixel ID or connecting your Facebook account as prompted. If you hit a snag here, don't worry. Just double-check the details and make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Wix website will be tied in directly with your Facebook Pixel. This will allow you to analyze visitor behavior, retarget viewers with ads, and make your marketing much more effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I check them all and love chatting with you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.